everybody, it's Silver Seeker, and we are in my garage right now. We are going to fire up the furnace today and make our 100,000 subscriber channel bar. I kind of been wanting to make one of these, and I figured now's a good time to get the furnace back out. It's been a while. So I have a lot of silver shot, and I figured I'd use it for this bar, but instead I think I'm going to go even better, and we're going to do 4/9 fine silver. Now, I don't have any 4/9 fine silver shot, but I do have some Canadian maple leaves. Don't worry, these are very, very milk spotted. I know I'm going to get some people that are still mad at me for melting maples, but I had a friend once tell me that the best way to get milk spotting off of maple leaves is to apply a lot of heat. And of course, that means we are going to open up our furnace, take these two very milk spotted maple leaves, drop them in, close the furnace, and heat it up. All right, so while we are waiting for our furnace to get nice and hot, I want to take the opportunity to talk to you about our 100,000 subscriber giveaway. As you guys can see, we did hit that number, and thank you guys so much for being here, for watching the videos, and for being subscribers. You guys are awesome. So the giveaway I've been talking about for a while, and it is officially launched. It's at my website, coolstacks.com. I'll put a link in the description below. You can go over there and enter right now if you would like to. And at the end of this video, I will actually go over the giveaway and how it works. If you had any questions, you can come back and reference this if you would like. But if you just want to go there, the link is down below. And if you guys are wondering why I don't do YouTube comment picker giveaway videos anymore, is because there are so many spam bots out there that will just reply saying, hey, you won, contact me on Telegram or contact me on WhatsApp or whatever it may be. And the whole idea is to get you to contact them thinking that it's me, and then they get your personal information and use that to scam you. So we do not do comment picker videos anymore for that reason, but a link to the giveaway on my website is, like I said, listed down below. Additionally, I want to tell you about this awesome giveaway from today's video sponsor, SD Bullion. SD Bullion is at it again. Last year, they gave away a full monster box of 2022 Silver Eagles. Now this year, they're doing it with a full monster box of 2023s. If you want your chance to win a full sealed monster box of 2023 Silver Eagles, make sure you head over to sdbullion.com/silverseeker or click the link in the description below. Thank you to SD Bullion for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so our first attempt, which is what we're doing right here, ends up being a failure. So at this point, I'm getting the mold really, really hot. You just want to make sure it's scalding hot before you pour any of the silver in it. You want to make sure no moisture tries to escape through the molten metal. Then we're going to get our last glove on, all the other safety gears on, and watch what happens. This is very unfortunate. And here we go. It's a very light crucible because there's only a couple ounces in there. Oh, and we have one little piece of... Oh, wow. We had a lot of silver escape. And that is kind of the danger when you're pouring silver. I poured it out a little bit too fast. It escaped over the mold. And so we have a lot of it that hit our ceramic here. And let's go ahead and drop that out. So it did not turn out as nice as we wanted it to. It just didn't come out as quickly as I thought. All right, so I went ahead and threw that back into the furnace to melt it back down. And now we're going to go ahead and actually grab a third maple to do 3 ounces. Now, it turns out that this mold actually holds a little bit more than 3 ounces. So getting to the bottom of the crucible, it turns out even with 3 ounces, it's just not going to work. But I'll let the video speak for itself. And you can see that this maple is crazy milk spotted, so don't get upset that I'm melting maples here. These are not BU ones at all. And of course, I totally forgot to hit record when I poured the second version of the bar. But here it is, already poured. As you can see, the back of it didn't turn out like I like. It didn't fill all the way to the top as well, so you have that edge there. So it turns out 3 ounces isn't enough either. So we're gonna go ahead and go up to 4 1-ounce silver maples. Don't worry, all milk spotted, and pour a third version of this bar, and hopefully it turns out well. Okay, so 4 ounces now in the crucible, all of 4/9 fine silver maple leaves. We're gonna get the bar super hot this time. We want this one to turn out well. We know this is gonna be enough for the bar, so we are firing this thing up scalding hot, and then we're gonna pour this bar. Let's see how it turns out.
So certainly not perfect, and I don't like the back of the bar, but the top of it looks pretty cool. We'll get rid of that spot later. Let's go ahead and stamp this thing. Okay, so it didn't come out perfect, but I'm not an expert anyway. Either way, I think it's really cool. This is just going in my personal collection, so I'm not too worried about it being super perfect. But on the reverse, we have 3.670 ZT, 100,000 subs, and then we got 99 Fine and Silver Seeker. So really, it's Silver Seeker, 100,000 subs, 99 Fine. Really cool. And I am going to make a really cool custom COA for it, even though I don't need it since I'm just keeping it in my collection. I thought I'd share this with you guys. I think it's pretty cool. Take a look at this. So what we're actually doing here is laser engraving the entire COA, including the signature and all the data. And I'm using my Xtool D120 Pro laser to do it. Now, I plan on using this laser for future videos to engrave actual silver pours, but I have to wait for my infrared laser to arrive to be able to do that. But this is pretty cool, and normally I do close the lid so that the smoke gets filtered outside, but I wanted to record the cut. But take a look at this final product. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know, what do you think? That's a pretty cool COA to go with our 100K channel bar, if you ask me. And here is the final product, COA, bar, everything ready to go. I don't know, what do you think? All right, like I promised, I'm gonna show you how to enter that giveaway. Let's get to it. All right, so we are at the giveaway page on my website at coolstacks.com. It's actually really simple to get in. This has all the information. All the rules are down below. All you really have to do is enter your email address. So we're going to enter my Silverseeking, MISSLE, because I misspelled it when I signed up. Silverseeking missile at gmail.com, and then we're just going to enter Silverseeker as the name. And you just click I'm not a robot. It's going to confirm you're not a robot. And when you click right here, you're agreeing to the rules, which again are all displayed down below. So make sure you read those and then click enter. So once you get entered into the giveaway, it's going to give you more opportunities to get more entries. So you start off with one, but if you share this with your friends, each person that signs up using your custom link right here, you can copy the link. You can share it on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, whatever. Each time you share it with your friends, if they sign up with your link, it'll get an extra 10 entries. And then there's some more ways to get more entries down here. You don't have to do these, but if you want to get more entries into the giveaway, you can go through all these. So, for example, visiting my page, and that doesn't require that you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, I appreciate it, but it's not required. It's just visit mine, Ravens, Rob's, Coin Cruise, follow on Instagram, enter the 2023 Monster Box at SD Bullion, and of course, once you do all these, it will unlock this one, which is just literally a question. What's your favorite precious metal? You just click it and click enter. You get 50 more points. So that is it, guys. And you can earn a bunch of entries. Just doing all of these gets you like 111 entries into the giveaway. And of course, if you share this out and people sign up with your link, you can get even more. So for the reasons that I said earlier, like I said, we don't use YouTube comment picker giveaways anymore. So this is, in my opinion, the best way to do it. And I hope you guys get entered, and good luck. There are going to be 50 different winners. So, you know, you may not win something, and that's totally fine, but your odds are definitely better than, say, winning the Powerball or the Mega Millions. And, you know, there's some really cool stuff in the chest. So good luck. And guys, thank you again so much for subscribing and being one of my 100,000+ subscribers. That's just an amazing number. It's mind-blowing. Oh, one more thing I didn't even show you. This bag here is 50 100,000 subscriber giveaway winner wooden nickels, and each person that wins is also going to get one of these along with their prize. I don't know, I just figured I'd do that as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out this video above me if you haven't seen it yet. I'd really appreciate that, and we will see you next time.